Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Python, virtual environment, and any GPU drivers. Once ready, create and clone the GitHub repository at a sensible. Git ignore and license and commit. Next, scaffold the project folders, data, SRC models, notebooks, so code stays organized. Initialize a requirements. TXT or pip file to lock dependencies. Make sure to include exact package versions. Commit and push this first actionable snapshot to set a clean baseline for later CI. Now focus on packaging and automation. Write lightweight unit tests covering data loading and a model inference path so CI runs fast. Then create a Docker file that pins the base image and Python version. Copy only necessary artifacts to keep the image small. Once Docker builds locally, add a GitHub Actions workflow to lint, run tests, build the Docker image, and push to a container registry on successful merges. This ensures reproducible builds and a consistent artifact ready for deployment. To complete deployment, choose your target: Cloud Run, Kubernetes, or a VM, and deploy the pushed image. Expose a health check endpoint and configure environment secrets securely. Ensure database migrations run safely. Once live, verify inference responses and check logs and metrics for latency or errors. If something fails, roll back to the previous tagged release immediately and inspect failing CI steps and container runtime logs. One key tip: enable verbose request logs and reproduce the failing request locally in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.